The half kneeling hip flexor stretch is another super important stretch if you're trying to relieve some of your lower back pain. The reason why is as these muscles get super tight, they draw you forward and you start putting strain on your lower back. So we have to make sure that we lengthen these, especially if you sit a lot. So to start, we're going to get into a half kneeling position. You're going to see that I'm very mechanical with my setup, with my front leg being very much a 90-degree angle, my back leg the same thing, 90 degrees. I'm going to stay super tall and square up my shoulders and my hips just to make sure that I'm not rotated. So once I'm squared up, I'm going to stay tall. You can put your hands on your waist. You're going to squeeze your left cheek. You're going to draw the hips forward. And you're going to feel a really nice stretch through the hip flexor, the front of the hip. Now, if you're not feeling the stretch, you may have to actually walk your front foot forward a little bit more so that knee gets further behind your hip and you get more of a stretch. So what's key here is to make sure that you're squeezing that rear end, that back rear end, that's going to force the hips to fall or drive forward, but it's also going to force these muscles to relax. So stay tall. If you want to get a little bit more of a stretch, you can lift and extend that top arm. So whatever leg is back, the same side, you're going to reach, lengthen. And my goal here is to create as much length as I can from this knee all the way up this arm. How high can I reach? How far can I drive forward? And as I do that, I'm going to start creating more lines of tension and slowly feel that hip stretch. Once I hit that side, we're just going to switch quickly. Again, legs at 90 degrees, hips square, everything facing forward, drawing the hips forward. And as I feel things open up, I can start hunting for more tension by extending that top arm as high as I can. Squeezing the right butt cheek, drawing the hips forward, focusing on that breath, and just know that every time I exhale, it enables my body to relax a little bit more so that I can get into a deeper and deeper position.